You know, I actually had a video already edited up. I did this morning, and I scratched it. Every darn bit of it. You know why I scratched it? It wasn't because of the content, because the damn thing was 15 minutes long. I was like, nobody's going to see that, Mike. Nobody's going to see that. So I'm going to throw together, and yes, this is a throw together, a video of my puppy Kit. Don't eat that. Of what it's been like after almost 9 months of having him. Yeah, having him. I tried to think of something else to say, Kid. Getting some snippers. After 9 months, I tell you what, I've seen one thing to the other. One extreme to the other extreme with this puppy. Yeah. I made the video the other day of him chewing a hole in the couch. Well, guess what? All I have to do is go in to take a plate into the sink. It only takes, what, at the most 10 seconds, he's at that couch. Yeah. And it's crazy to put him in his cage for 10 seconds. So what I've been doing is I've been getting up, and in front of my keyboard I have a stool. I put the stool upside down over the hole. So far, he hasn't messed with it when I did that. This puppy of mine sometimes can be all jaws and teeth. He wants to chew up everything he sees. Any toys we get him, hey, Kit, any toys we get him do not last. Well, if they're fabric, they do not last. Oh, shoot. Okay, since I made a video earlier, I did not delete out them clips. So when I do the editing on this and I upload the clips to my computer, I gotta cipher out them clips from these clips. Yeah, real smart. I'm glad my memory card can hold a lot. Now, if we go out and get a toy that's made of fabric, them are the toys that do not last. Well, for a minute I thought I had a bee fly in my... What the hell? Okay, that's a weird feeling. You ever get a feeling that a bee flew up inside your shirt collar? That's what it just felt like. But yet, if they're made of any other material, they do last a little bit. Not much longer, but you can at least get about a day or two out of them. It all depends. Sometimes he goes through days where he wants to sleep a lot, and them are the days he seems to want to he gets bigger. Yeah. Hey, Kit, sit up straight. Kit. As you see, he's not listening. Hey, Kit, here. No, something's got his attention more than I do. Right here. Hey, good boy. Thank you for at least listening to me or showing me I exist. I'm going to be taking Kit fishing sometime real soon, okay? The next day I have off, and my wife has off, and it's not raining and it's not too cold. We're going to try Kit fishing. I am a little worried, though. I'm not so sure how he's going to do until we actually do it. Also, I had a concern today when I had him out walking. Yeah, we can't do a lot of walking. I'm back here at the city park. This was not my choice for today, but I'm back here because the other parks are underwater. Yeah, we got flooding going on. But anyway, after I was out earlier, and it was about 85 degrees, he seemed to... I don't know, it seems like the sun really wore him out. One of the first places we had him was right there at that bench. He was just a tiny puppy then. He's not going to be a very large dog. But he's a hell of a lot bigger than he was, that's for dang sure. He also knows how to make himself seem smaller than what he really is too. I noticed that. I don't think he does it intentionally. Just sometimes he doesn't seem so big, then you look at him a few seconds later, it's like, well, damn, you are big. Well, bigger. When I'm out and about like I am right now, as long as it's not a place he hasn't been to, he's under 100% of my control. If it's a place he's never been to, there for a little bit, he's going to be, pulling here all over the place, just for a little bit. And then he's like, okay. But at home, when everybody's there, no. He still does not want to mind. He thinks it's a game. I break out the harness like, let's go out. He thinks it's a game. So he'll run back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. He's digging into the couch. He's grabbing mom's shoes. He's being a little heathen is what he's being. I blame that on the puppy stage. The puppy days, the puppy stage. Yeah. Of course, kid, you're only going to be a puppy for another month. Yeah. Then you're going to be a year old. Yeah, other dogs have peed there, Bubby. Yes. Other dogs hike their leg and urinate on that tree. Yeah. You could do that if you want, if you choose to. Gotta tell you something, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you something. It may be a little gross, but I gotta tell you something. Some days, he just pulled me. Some days when I take him out to pee, remember my puppy don't hike his leg yet. And so when he urinates, he sometimes urinates on his front paw. He urinates on his paw. And I'll be here, I'll be like, watch, I say, hey, you know what you're doing. You're peeing on yourself. So, of course, when we get inside, I have to grab one of the baby wipes and wipe his paw down. Then he looks at me, he's like, I could have licked that off. I'm serious, because if you don't wipe it down, he's going to lick it off. And I don't know about you guys, but that's just downright gross. Maybe. There's one thing I am very thankful for. He has gotten away from me. Ah, you got your stick! He has actually gotten away from me 3 or 4 times now. And you know, every time when I was like, Kit, stay, come back to me, he has. Okay, come on. You just want to chew that up in the, not leave that alone. Yeah, he's come back to me every single time. You take my dog Stormy, she got away from me a couple times. She never wants to come back. I remember one day we chased her. Well, didn't chase her because that's the last thing you want to do when your dog gets away. But we tried to get her all over our neighborhood. Yeah. She thought it was a game, had time, and no, she got a taste of freedom. She's like, out of here. He may not look like it, but he's got some serious strength to him. Sometimes he likes to lay in our lap, and sometimes them paws go where they're not comfortable, and I go to want to pick them up and move them, and he don't want to be moved. Yeah, it takes a little bit of doing to move him. He's got more strength than I ever give him credit for. He did, actually, he had that streak when we first got him too. As a puppy. He's solid, guys. He is. Now see, you're getting a little bit of, well, he ain't getting chunky. There you go. Hey, this is a tree I tried to have you pee on the other day. What do you think, Bubby? Come on. What do you think? No, that's just it. You're not thinking. There's a lot yet to do with Kit, okay, before I can honestly say I have him where I want him. I still got to get him house trained 100% so he doesn't do what he's been doing. I still have a little bit more to do outdoors, you know, especially in the places he's never been. Sometimes I think, you know, the excitement, see, dogs see things with their nose. And when he's at a place he's never been, he's going, yeah. But he only does that for a little bit. So I have quite a bit of work yet to do. It may be every bit of a year and a half. Leave it. Be right back. Okay. My GoPro never turned off, but oh God, I was scared for a minute there. I didn't know what the hell he had in his mouth. He had a log. I also find myself more overprotective with Kit than I did with Stormy. Leave it. Come on. We're talking big time. I was overprotective with Stormy, but nowhere near like I am with Kit. I don't know why. I'm very cautious on everything he does, and I watch him like a mother hen. Yeah, I don't watch him that much like a mother hen when he chews up the couch, now do I? Do you remember this spot, Kit? Hey, back here. Mom actually sat right there. I stood right about there, and you're pretty much doing what you're doing now. Do you remember? Huh? He doesn't remember. Actually, he might. I don't know. Although we got him, might as well say, well, it's the last day of July. He only got to see a little bit of summer. And if he's seen any kind of a summer when he was just a little puppy before we got him, I don't know how much of that he might remember. So everything out here right now is brand spanking new to him. The heat, the birds, everything, you know, everything coming back to life. And I'm not 100% sure if we're under the gun on this or not, but we're supposed to be getting the cicadas again. Yeah, we had them just a couple years ago, and I don't know what he's going to do with them. I do know if he was to eat one, as far as I know, it cannot hurt him. I'm going to do my double checking on that, but I don't think it will hurt him. And I'm not so sure what he would do with cicadas. I do know the house spiders, he likes to try to chase them. And I'm waiting for him to see a bee. He's seen one once and he tried to go at it. I was like, no, no, no. But he don't know any better. And I do not want him getting stung. No. At the end of the day, he's still my baby. No matter what age he is, no matter what he do. Angie and I love him tremendously. Hey, Kit. Hey, look up at me. Maybe I'll get a decent thumbnail this way. Hey, Kit. Hey, hey, Kid. Yeah, once again, I don't mean much. But I guarantee if I was to get in my pocket and pull out a training treat, y'all have your attention, now wouldn't I? Of course I would, Dad. Or of course you would. Kid, hey! Tell you a little secret. Even though we're doing a grass walk right now, and we did one this morning, he gets more out of these grass walks than he would if I walk lap after lap after lap after lap. I was going to do a lot of laps today, but I'm going to do that tomorrow instead. But he gets more out of the grass walks than anything else. When he gets home, he will seem more satisfied than he would if I just walked him lap for lap for lap. I know that makes no sense, but it's true. Guys, this has been kind of a, oh shoot, I don't know what to name this video. 11-month-old update from my puppy Kit. You know, just kind of where he stands right now. You know, there ain't no toy to survive him. There ain't no furniture for that matter. And he's a handful, but you know, we still love him. Your nose ain't at the ground. Huh? You ain't trying to eat everything or smell everything. Well, at least for a second you wasn't. You ready to go home and get some drinks? Want to get some water? Let's go home and get some water. Tell everybody bye. Say we'll see you soon. I do have a day off coming up and don't know what the plans are, but it all depends on Mother Nature. We're supposed to get thunderstorms. We may have to play that by ear. Yeah. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and don't forget to hit that like button. We're headed home because him and I both need some waters. See you soon, guys.